Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. We are glad you had a chance to come visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.